soldering portion of machine number 2. Third serial tag. We'll go around and take a look from the tunnel. Be hard to see, but it is fluxing the needed areas. You may see micro moves of that fluxing unit underneath the board. Zoom in a little bit here. There's many movements, the larger movement. This is one of their more heavily selective soldered unit boards here. You may be able to see down the tunnel. This is a dual pot, dual preheat system. I'm going to stop the video now and pick it back up when it begins to solder.
Alright, you're ready.
This first preheat section set it to preheat for about a minute. I wanted to truncate it and just simply show that the preheat did work, which it does, and now the board is moving into the selective solder pot area. And it is beginning to solder the individual leads. The system again has 2 pots, and at each pot station there is a camera in which you can view the process of soldering. You can see we're focusing in on the first station. I'm going to stop the video since this is a really long board and pick it back up at the second station. And now the board has gone through its second preheat. Again, the preheat is convective and IR, and now the board has moved into the selective soldering area, topside convection. With the first pot, this is a long program. We just wanted to show you that the system is fully functional and is working as prescribed.